Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. September 21st, 2024. There you go. Big old rabbit. Somebody. She got it. Well, go back that way. Everybody want to hit the front. Everybody want to hit the front. Kimber got it. Kimber got it. All Bramlett. All right, they all want the front. But we moving and we shaking this morning. 10 on the ground. It's raining. Hey, pushing that song, gun. Well. Oh, still got it. He's back there. Oh, she hear him now. She hear him. Yeah, Jesus. Oh, this rabbit moving. I'm gonna cut y'all on when I get back around there, unless they come around here. I don't know what happened.
Right here, I believe the rabbit went to the hole because they were applying that pressure to it. On to the next race.
Well, that was one good run. Hmm. The rabbit snuck in behind me. They hitting and missing this morning. That's the second rabbit they done a jump. I got all Bramlett Influenced hounds on the ground this morning. 10 of them. Could have bought 12, but I decided to go with 10 this morning. We got some rain last night, and it's still raining on and off now. But we got that's BEAGLES. We got to do what we got to do. But come on. They're getting some spotty runs. I think all this rain and pressure, barometric pressure, is messing them up. Yep. There's old Leah. There's her father, Kodiak. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Let's go. They know to come, boy. They coming. Old Hazel. She gonna be okay. Old Buddha. Levi. Where you going? Hey, get over here. Riley. Missing 4. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, well, he could have come through here. Reba, Scarlet. Kimber. I think he did come through here. That's Levi. Did I get all of them? I don't know. That's Levi. Everybody came through. See how they hitting and missing? I ain't running them, but they hitting and missing. Well, they get some exercise. We're gonna go on around this corner. But this is the third race, so I want to show y'all something. Look at this big old thorn. It was in Scarlet leg, not leg, but paw. Got to check your dogs, got to check your dogs. I saw it coming up limping, and I didn't see nothing at first. I put her back down. Then she continued to limp. So I called her back, and lo and behold, that is what I found.
YouTube. Hey, they never did get up under this rabbit. They were still hitting and missing. I believe with all this rain and continue to rain, it messed up the barometric pressure. But at the end of the day, they did get some races in. That's all we can ask for right now. Getting ready for the rabbit season. Hey, this Terry, Great Plains Beagles. Well, I'm turning Beagles into rabbit dogs. Hey, Great Plains Beagles
That's what
out.
they've been doing all